Hey, welcome to Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to create a private server in Roblox. So the first step we have to take here is to open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Select the particular game you want to create a private server for. Scroll gently. You're going to see an option called servers. Just click on the arrow close to it. So right here you will see the required amounts, but have it in mind that not all games require private servers to be paid for, and not all games require money to buy their server. Some of the games are free. So if yours says you should pay, it does not mean that all games private server requires you to pay for them. So you just have to click on the create private server. So right here you just have to pay in for the private server. Having done that, the next thing you have to do is to create your name, and having creating your name, you have to customize the private server by choosing the number of friends you want for that private server. The main reason why we create private server in Roblox, in order to reduce the number of friends we have for your Roblox, so you just have to copy the link on that private server and send it to the particular number of friends you want, or you can just say only your friends. Just customize your private server to the way that you want it. So guys, that is it on how to create a private server. If this video was helpful, please do also like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.